This is G, and this is
Emerson.
And today we are going to do our part in the heart movement that maybe you've seen around the internet. It's where people put and display hearts in their window, and it shows support for all of us that are staying home during COVID-19. So since it was kind of gross outside for a little bit today, we decided to make this craft. Can you help me say what materials we'll need?
We'll need this kind of paper.
Yeah, for any paper you have at home is fine too. We just actually dug this out of a drawer. You'll need
some scissors.
Yeah. And can you show me how to safely hold a scissors while we're at it? Yep, and then you sometimes make sure that the tip is down and you never point it at a friend, right? Yes, and you keep your wrist nice and level. You need a pencil or any other writing utensil.
Yeah, so we can draw the hearts and then we can cut out the hearts.
Yep. And then we didn't have any Scotch tape. We're just going to use what we have. We have packing tape. Any kind of tape would do for attaching it to your window. You can see the tape. Okay.
So this is our Scotch tape. We have it to tape up our hearts.
Yep.
Very, very sticky.
Very sticky, yep. Okay, so how I like to do hearts, I use Nevlin Night Blue. She has her favorite color, which is
Nevlin Night Pink.
Yep. So basically, you can do it any which way. I just fold the paper in half. We're using books as a hard surface. The fold does not have to be perfect, right? It just has to be folded. Then I'm going to help you make the shape, and you're going to start cutting. So I will do hers first. It can be big or small. So here's her shape. And can you cut along the line?
Yeah.
Grab your scissors and you leave it. Yep, so you leave it closed.
Okay. How do you make the other side of the heart?
Good question. She's wondering how to make the other side of the heart. Okay, so you cut when it's folded, okay? You hold it. You hold the paper, sweetie, okay? You cut when it's folded. And again, these do not have to be perfect. These are just showing support for one another during this weird time. Okay, so then we cut around the line, and then you and I will open it up at the same time. Are you ready? Can you point your pink to the... And there you have it, a couple different hearts. We're going to do a lot more, and then we'll attach it to the window and we'll show you the final product. Okay?
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
All right, there's our final product. You can do the same thing at home and have a good one. Bye.